Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be my review on Adidas Ultra Boosts and showing you a look into the shoes that I have owned. I'm doing a massive cull in my house at the moment, and I have all of these shoes that I absolutely do not need anymore. Disclaimer, my baby is right next to me. He should be sleeping, but you will definitely hear noises. So that's what that is. So a look at the different shoes. I actually don't know names, but these are my very first pair that I did purchase. These were like a collaboration with NASA, and I was absolutely just shocked at how comfortable these shoes are. I love that you do not have to like lace them up or anything like that. So these completely started my obsession. The next set of shoes I did get, again, I don't know what they are, but they are, I think these are like the DNA or something like that. These are super worn, and will be thrown out after this video or donated. I'm not, probably thrown out because the soles are completely just split. But these were, again, super comfortable. I love the simple design. Look how they're just so worn. And again, you do not need to take your, like, unlace the shoe and lace them up, which I really love. And my latest pair, which I have just picked up, is this. So these are the DNA 5.0s. I do know this because, as I said, I just purchased them. And again, just such a simple shoe. I really like basic, like, quite muted colors. I don't go too crazy with my shoes. But one thing I do want to note, so when it comes to the UK sizing, my first pair, so this is a 6.5. The second pair, again in UK sizing, is a 7. And then this is a 6. So my advice, unless you're buying the exact same style, I find the styles do range like in how they fit. So I found these ones are perfect. I absolutely love how these fit. These felt quite a little bit bigger, like longer, and these fit well, but they are tight across here. So definitely my advice, as I said, try them on before you purchase, or if you do know, you know, with the style what size you are, grab that. So that is a look at these shoes. As I said, I absolutely love Adidas Ultra Boost. I've tried APL, Tech Loom Pros, sorry. And I've also tried Asics Quantum 360s, and to me, nothing compares to how good these are. They also do last quite a long while. I would say every year I would get a new pair of these. So I think for, you know, around $200, they're amazing shoes that I will definitely continue to purchase. So let me know your favorite shoes to wear. I would love to hear from you if you are an Ultra Boost fan or not. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again.